Hi, it's Jenna here from Sip Bite Go, and today you're going to learn how to make a creamy pesto pasta salad with store-bought pesto. This is a great make-ahead salad recipe to bring on a picnic, for a football game like Super Bowl, or to bring to a party. There are just a few simple ingredients to make this creamy pesto pasta salad. So in addition to needing a pound of cooked pasta, you also need a half cup of mayo, a third cup of pesto, sun-dried tomatoes, smoked mozzarella, and parmesan to top later. An important part of cooking the pasta for this dish is to make sure once it's boiled to a perfect al dente that you take out the pasta and you coat it with olive oil. This will keep it from sticking when you're going to add in the pesto and the mayo later. Adding the mayo to the pesto is a really simple step to make the creamy dressing. You just combine the two until they're perfectly smooth and make a beautiful green hue. This is what you're going to apply to the pasta salad that you've already coated in olive oil. There are a few other vegetables that go really well with a chilled pesto pasta salad. You can use broccoli, squash, red onion, zucchini, or bell peppers. This is one of my favorite dishes to have in the fridge over a few days because I work from home, and having an easy lunch to grab at a moment's notice in between meetings is super helpful. Sometimes I'll also add in some grilled chicken if I want to make it more of a hearty meal instead of just a side. For this version, I used sun-dried tomatoes that I diced, and I also mixed in delicious smoked mozzarella chunks. And to top it, I added some parmesan to give it like a really nice bold, cheesy flavor. I hope you enjoy making this easy, creamy pesto pasta salad. It's one of my favorites to bring along on a picnic or to a friend's house if I have the side dish for the day. I hope you have a wonderful time and eat delicious food all week long. Thank you so much for watching this video, and check out my other make-ahead salads at sipbitego.com. Have a wonderful day. Cheers!